Alright, siguro alam niyo na kung anong sagot kapag tinanong kayo what's the best speed cube out there for the majority of speed cubers, mapa-beginner man or high level, and it's obviously our 3M 2020. Reasonable speed, good corner cutting, and the only speed cube you can get na may spring compression system in a superb, extreme low price for its performance. However, in this video, mag-explore pa tayo ng ibang mga budget contenders para sa mga nagsisimula pa lang sa speed cubing. What's up, Wizards? It's Save again, and today meron tayong 3 speed cubes to explore. These are the YJ Mini 3x3, QiYi Thunderclap V3, at QiYi MS 3x3. Specs on this screen right now para mag-focus na lang tayo sa feeling at performance mamaya. Now, kung naghahanap kayo ng budget speed cube from GAN, meron tayong video dito for total beginners that is about Monster Go Magnetic, at para naman sa mga intermediate to advanced level speed cubers, meron tayong GAN 11M review. Ililink ko na lang sila pareho sa description below, and yeah, start na tayo! And mag-ready na rin tayo ng mga tools for quick setup mamaya. Meron tayong screwdriver, speed lube, and of course, silicone lube. Now, let's start with the YJ Mini 3x3. I'm very excited sa cube na to since ito lang ang speed cube na mini cube sa review na to, and ito yung makikita nyo sa unboxing experience niya. So, alright, so kapag ka-open nyo ng box, meron tayong makikita ang cube agad, and of course, it's toolbox. So, buksan muna natin siya. You can see here such tools like screwdriver, extra magnet, and of course, standard pamphlet, which is kind of useless, I guess. And, okay, this one is very interesting because you have your free cube stand if in case na wala kayong cube stand, and it has YJ logo in it. If you're really into YJ cubes, you will love this one. So, okay, this one is iconic black. Okay, try muna natin siya Okay, I guess this is how you set up or display your cubes, just like that. YJ. Well, tabi muna natin yung mga tools nito, okay? Okay, so as you can see here, it is very small in my hands. Hindi ko maipakita sa camera kung gaano siya kaliit, pero this one, we have here the R3M 2020. This is 56mm, and this one is 50mm. So as you can see here, look at that size difference. It is noticeable, but not very big, I guess. So hindi siya masyadong nakaka-distract, I guess. So ito yung 56mm. Okay lang naman ako dito. And this one is, this is usable. Pwede siyang gamitin, guys, sa mga speed cubing tournaments and first turns. Okay. Okay, so this one is very interesting. First turns are very positive. Di siya masyadong flimsy, stable siya, and yung magnets niya is suitable or fit lang sa kanyang size and sa kanyang speed. Hindi siya masyadong mabilis or hindi siya masyadong malakas at hindi rin siya masyadong mahina. Sakto lang siya. And in terms of feeling, makikita mo talaga dito yung distinct YJ feeling na hindi masyadong crunchy or hindi rin siya masyadong smooth. Basta nasa middle lang siya. Parang Moyo-like yung feeling niya, to be honest. More turns. Hindi siya perfect, pero masasabi ko lang is viable. So if I can say a word that will describe this cube, it is viable. Meaning, pwede siyang gamitin sa competitive speed cubing. And yeah, so solves mamaya para makita nyo ang mga results. Next naman is Thunderclap V3. Again, mag-focus tayo sa pre-setup at post-setup ng mga cubes na to. And look at this box. This is the weirdest box na meron tayo sa unboxing na ito. And come on, Shi. Bakit naman ganito? Gets ko naman yung point na pagiging fancier, pero why, Chi? Why? Chi, mag-explain kayo. Love you. So, onto this cube. Out of the box, the tensions are kinda tight. Look at that. Pero first turns, very distinct. Very unique. Again, glossy plastic siya. Kung makikita nyo, nagre-reflect masyado yung light. Hindi siya matte plastic. And if you prefer matte plastic, again, hindi siya matte plastic, glossy plastic siya. So, first turns is, masasabi ko bang positive to? I guess this one is very meaty, hefty, heavy, if you can describe it in that way. Mabigat siya. Though magnets are kind of weak. So it's very weak and very flimsy. Look at that. It's not stable. It's kind of flimsy. Okay. Sa speed naman, I think okay naman siya. However, it is very flimsy. Hindi siya masyadong stable. And maybe because of the weak magnets na meron sa cube na to. Look at the internals. It is primary plastic. Let's try. It's very tight. This is the only cube na may primary plastic sa unboxing na to. Pero yeah, I guess this is actually good. I mean, sorry guys kung masyado akong binabash tong cube na to. However, you should consider na nagre-review ako through the standpoint of sub-10 cuber. Pero I think this one is a good option para sa mga speed cubers na sub-15 or even sub-12. Actually, you can achieve sub-10 dito sa cube na to. Makikita natin sa mga solves natin mamaya. Okay, so punta naman tayo sa last speed cube na meron tayo ngayon. This is, I think, by far the best speed cube box na meron tayo kasi pwede mo siyang i-store at meron siyang picture ni Matt's Ball. Alright, so anyway, let's try to have this one. Okay, so standard pamphlet about how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So first turns, this is the QiYi MS cube. Tingnan muna natin yung exterior mechanism niya. So this one is matte plastic. I think this is matte plastic pero hindi siya masyadong matte, if that makes sense. Kung makikita nyo yung light is hindi masyadong nagre-reflect dyan, pero hindi rin siya masyadong matte na madulas. I don't know. Okay, so anyway, let's try to have first turns. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Wow, I like this one. Oh my goodness, this is very different. What? Alright. Okay, so this is very clacky. Kung maririnig nyo lang yung sound niya, paparinig natin. This is very good. This is not tight. Out of the box, yung tensions niya is reasonable. However, I'm experiencing kind of flimsiness kapag ka nagtiturn ako ng mabilis. I mean, okay naman siya kapag ka nagtiturn ka ng individual layers. Pero kapag ka nag-execute ka na ng mga, kagaya no, nag-execute ka na ng mga algorithms, parang nagla-lock up dahil sa flimsiness niya. So, let's try to open this cube sa internal. Oh, wow! Look at that! So, kung mapapansin nyo, okay, wait lang. Kukuha ko ng MoU Cube. Na, kung mapapansin nyo, yung mechanism ng center niya and of course, yung corner at edge pieces niya ay very similar sa MoU Cubes. Okay. Look at that. Parang meron siyang something mechanism dyan sa, para sa corner cutting. Kasi kapag nilagay nyo yung piece na to and then you try to corner cut, very easy. So this one is Worm 2019 and I like the corner cutting in this one. Very easy, very effortless. Pero dito naman, this is okay when testing. Again, when testing. However, kapag ka nag-execute ka na ng maraming mga algorithms and multiple layers, parang unstable siya. Pero so far, I think this is the best cube na nireview natin ngayon. The YJ Mini 3x3, ang complaint ko din is yung size, medyo maliit masyado. Yung isa naman is kinda heavy, so medyo mag-slow down ka sa turning mo. And this one is very good. The size is good and the turning is good. Well, makikita na lang natin sa review through solves mamaya. So overall, ang hirap mag-decide. Grabe. Ang hirap mag-decide kung ano nga ba ang prinsipe ng budget cube. So we have YJ again on option, 2 options for GANs. We have the GAN 11 and Monster Go Magnetic, and 2 options again for QiYi. So how do we resolve this one? So again, kung gusto nyo ng mini cube, go for the YJ Mini 3x3. This one is good in terms of side, and in terms of performance, it is mediocre. It is viable, and the magnetic strength is reasonable. However, meron naman tayong mga budget cubes pero mahal coming from GAN. We have the GAN 11 kung gusto mong maka-experience ng premium GAN feeling. And of course, for total beginners, I really recommend this Monster Go Magnetic. Ito yung cube na hindi nakaka-overwhelm parang sa mga beginner pa lang or nagsisimula pa lang sa speed cubing. So I guess this one is, this is the budget king, I guess. I mean, kung may category man na best beginner cube, ito yon. Pero hindi siya yung best budget cube. Alright? So, magkaiba yon. Yung best beginner ay hindi rin yung best budget cube. Kasi yung best budget cube, pwede siya sa wide level ng speed cubers. However, this one is the best for beginners since hindi siya nakaka-overwhelm. However, we also have these 2 cubes from QiYi. We have Thunderclap and this very clacky MS. So, this one is very viable din naman. I like the heftiness of this cube. However, medyo konti lang siguro yung magkakaroon ng preference dito since medyo mabigat nga at primary internals nga siya. And how about this QiYi MS? This one is also viable. So, what do you get from this review? I think it all boils down sa personal preference. I hope nakatulong itong review na to. And of course, kung meron kayong ibang options maliban sa mga nandito sa video na to, feel free to comment down below. So again guys, thanks for watching. Happy cubing! Bye-bye! Joke lang guys, ang prinsipe talaga ng speed cube ay ang YJ Mini 3x3 dahil meron siyang cube stand.